pioneering abrasive disc manufacturing company based in China since 2013. With a track record of success spanning over 2 decades, our products have earned acclaim in more than 20 countries worldwide, both under our own brands and through strategic OEM partnerships. And now, our sights are set on Russia, a heavy industrial titan where 80% of the nation's industrial output is driven by heavy industry. As Russia's economy continues its upward trajectory, marked by steady growth and increased investment in basic infrastructure, including a thriving building materials market, the demand for abrasive tools has surged at an impressive rate of 10% annually. At Welldon, we understand the pulse of Russia's industrial landscape. That's why we're on a mission to bring our expertise and innovation to Russian traders and industries. Our dedicated R&D team is poised to launch a groundbreaking new series of cutting and grinding discs, meticulously crafted to meet the unique demands of the Russian market. Join us as we embark on this journey of collaboration, innovation, and excellence. Together, let's pave the way for greater efficiency, productivity, and success in Russia's abrasive tools sector. Welldon, empowering Russian industries with precision.